Hi there, Doug Stewart with IT Creations with Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen3. This system has workstation credentials and as such offers independent software vendor certification or ISV certification. One cool thing, this unit features an NVIDIA RTX Pro 5000 Blackwell Edition GPU with 24 gigabytes of memory. We'll definitely have to run some short benchmarks on this. Probably not in this video, but very soon after. Like our channel? Then hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. This ThinkPad P16 Gen3 is like a tank with an aluminum top and bottom cover. It has Mil-Spec Certification too, which basically means you can bash it around a little and use it in extreme temperatures, from hot to cold. Who is this system used by? Professionals. Financial analysts, engineers, and designers can load their applications of choice and know it's going to perform, wherever you choose to do your work. Providing compute is a single Intel Core Ultra HX Series 2 processor. With that matte black finish, it does have a slightly sinister quality to it. Kind of reminds me of the system Bishop uses in Aliens to remote pilot the dropship. Like I said, mil-specs. It even has a magnesium frame for additional durability. I will add it does a great job of resisting fingerprints, and I like the way the dot on the top of the eye and ThinkPad on the cover panel lights up. Dimensions are 362 millimeters by 252 millimeters by 29.8 millimeters. Which equates to 14.25 by 9.25 by 1.17 inches. Depending on how it is outfitted, it starts out at about 5.6 pounds. It has a 180 watt USB-C adapter with power cord and brick for the 99.9 watt-hour battery, offering rapid charge capability. It can deliver an impressive 80% charge in 60 minutes. Are you interested in this Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen3? I know I am, but it's not in the cards at this moment. You, on the other hand, may have other plans. For a limited time, you could save up to $300 off the purchase price of a system that's valued at $3,000 or more. Just click that link for more information. When you're ready to make a purchase, just mention this video to save. The basic specs for this review system includes an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX CPU with 8 P cores and 16 E cores for 24 cores and 24 virtual threads, a 5.4 GHz boost clock, and a 55 watt to 160 watt TDP. Then there's that NVIDIA RTX Pro 5000 Blackwell GPU, 128 gigabytes of ECC memory, 4 terabytes of SSD storage, and a 3.2K tandem OLED display. Actual resolution is 3200 by 2000 pixels, and it does have touchscreen capabilities. A typical OLED display has a single layer of organic light emitting diodes. This tandem OLED display stacks 2 layers on top of each other, so you have piggyback pixels for better color depth and clarity. It also boosts brightness to 1200 nits. Nits. Sounds like kind of a made-up word, doesn't it? Maybe it should be added to the sacred words.
We are the keepers of the sacred words! Ni, peng, and ni-wom!
Apparently, the WQ-UXGA display offers a balance of battery life and performance, while the tandem OLED display is targeted at those that require superb image quality, like designers and video editors. Another notable feature is the WQ-UXGA display offers true black. Any panel you do choose features X-Rite Pantone factory color calibration right out of the box, which is great if you have ever tried to calibrate your own monitor. You know what I'm talking about. Dolby Vision is also available on that tandem OLED and WQ-UXGA panel. This system also boasts Intel Wi-Fi BE200 and Bluetooth 5.4. Ports on the right side include an optional smart card reader, headphone microphone combo jack, optional nano SIM card slot, and an always-on USB-A port offering 10 gigabit per second data transfer speeds. Then a Kensington slot lock to secure the unit.
Hello, Mrs. Kensington.
Hello, Austin.
On the left side, it has an SD Express 8.0 card reader, Thunderbolt 4 port offering data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second bidirectional, and another USB-A port with 10 gigabit per second transfer speeds. As a bonus, there's a few more ports in back, including 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, an HDMI port, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port. Thunderbolt 5 delivers twice the bandwidth at 80 gigabits per second bidirectional and a 120 gigabit per second bandwidth boost for display-heavy activities. Also 240 watts of power delivery compared to only 100 watts for Thunderbolt 4. I will mention the Thunderbolt 4 port can also be used to support monitor or to connect the power cable. All in, the system can support up to 5 independent displays. That would be counting the 3 Thunderbolt ports, the HDMI port, and the native display panel. The Intel Core Ultra HX Series 2 is described as a high-performance mobile CPU for enthusiast laptops and was launched in March of 2025. Where are we now? Most likely sometime in March of 2026, more or less. It also offers an enhanced NPU 4.0 engine supporting up to 36 TOPS, or trillions of operations per second. Throw in the NPU with Intel AI Boost for an additional 13 TOPS for up to 49 TOPS total. It's a solid foundation for AI and has advanced integrated graphics for creating and gaming. However, for even better graphics support, there's an integrated NVIDIA RTX Pro 5000 Blackwell laptop GPU with 24 GB of GDDR7 memory that also adds up to 1,824 TOPS to the mix. Not exactly sure how the system determines which to use, the integrated CPU graphics or the GPU graphics. Maybe it's like a two-headed snake or parasitic twin. At full capacity, it can support up to 128 GB of ECC memory using 4 32 GB modules, or up to 192 GB of non-ECC memory using 48 GB SODIMMs in all 4 slots. Regarding storage, this unit currently has a single 4 TB M.2 drive, but the system can be outfitted with up to 3 2280 Gen 5 M.2 drives at 4 TB each. Only one of the slots offers a PCIe 5.0 interface, while the other 2 have a PCIe 4.0 slot. RAID of 0, 1, and 5 are supported depending on how many drives you have installed. I will also mention, those drives will only run at the supported speed of the PCIe slot. A full backlit keyboard with island keys delivers responsive feedback and spill resistance. Surprisingly, even with that spill resistance, the keyboard helps with cooling by drawing in air between the keys. A Mylar touchpad with right, left, and center click buttons provides easy scrolling and click action. Alternatively, you can also use that little red track point scrolling button in the center of the keyboard. The track point acts like a miniature omnidirectional joystick for responsive mouse scrolling. A match-on-chip fingerprint reader /on button provides another level of security. Dolby Vision is great, but I'm a little more familiar with Dolby Sound, and you do get Dolby Atmos and Dolby Voice that covers that aspect. I'll just let you do a little research on those 2 topics, but will say the 2 together deliver improved sound quality with spatial audio, dynamic leveling, and noise suppression. Add that with 2 360-degree microphones to take advantage of collaboration or privacy mode. Collaboration mode if you want to share multiple voices with whomever you may be communicating, or activate privacy mode to put a block on those other voices. It also has 2 2-watt speakers. Helping with that communication is a little 5-megapixel camera with infrared at the top of the screen. It also has a privacy shutter if you have that feeling you're being spied on when not on a Zoom call. Paranoid, right? Maybe not. Perhaps it's the AI assistant. This system comes with a co-pilot button on the keyboard, but also Lenovo AI Now. AI Now is powered by Meta's Llama 3, which is part of the family of open-source large language models developed by Meta. It's a local AI agent that can understand and generate text to help you not only be more productive, but also sound and work smarter. You also get enhanced data privacy with all interactions stored locally on the device. Slick. Meeting summaries, content generation, and document management, all at your fingertips. Do you really need to learn how to type these days? There is more granular information about the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen3, but realistically, your attention is most likely wavering a little. Mine is too. So wrapping this up, I will be doing some benchmarks on the CPU and that NVIDIA RTX Pro 5000 Blackwell laptop GPU. We've not had a Blackwell GPU on the bench yet, so that should be interesting. If you are looking for this system or something like it, try IT Creations. I placed a few links in the description below, or you can use that one right there. itcreations.com. Until next time, I'm Doug Stewart with IT Creations, and thanks for watching.